We'll guide you through how to maximize your ChatGPT usage effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Once you're in, start by familiarizing yourself with the interface. You have the chat window where you input your queries. To get the most out of ChatGPT, be as specific as possible with your questions or prompts. This helps the AI understand your needs better and provide more accurate responses. You can also use the regenerate response button if the first answer doesn't quite hit the mark. If you're looking for a particular style or type of response, try specifying that in your prompt. For example, if you need a summary or a detailed explanation, let it know right up front. Explore the settings menu to adjust preferences like language or theme, which can enhance your user experience. You can also save your chat history by clicking on the save icon so you can revisit important information later. If you're using ChatGPT for work or study, consider organizing your queries in a document for easy reference. Remember, the more you interact with the chatbot, the better it becomes at understanding and assisting you. Don't forget to explore any new updates or features that may be available, as OpenAI frequently enhances the platform. Keep experimenting with different types of queries to find out what works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.